Don't leave me out here dancing alone. I can't record it this way. This is not even gonna work. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. Look, it's Captain Quark. He's got his thyroid cut out of himself, and it's holding a pizza. Oh my God, it's me. Just kidding, that is Clank, and he is amazing. There is Ratchet. He looks kinda ugly. Then this Quark, he is super amazing as well. He is kind of a moron, though. Look at him, he's an idiot. I don't know what he's trying to do, but he's probably doing something real bad because he's an idiot, you see. Quark is not somebody to mess with because he's sort of an idiot. Oh my gosh, they're fighting the pizza toppings and it's nefarious, he's very evil. Oh my God, is that the plumber? It's the plumber. Oh my God, it's the plumber. It's the plumber. It's the plumber. It's the plumber. Oh my God. The plumber's here to save the world because it's the plumber. It's the plumber. It's the plumber.